Puta! Oh. Yeah, you're stuck now.
Oh my god.
No, don't pull. Don't pull.
Oh my god. Oh.
Dude, you're floating in the sky. What do you think you're doing?
Man, you are fucking crazy, dude. The cops are coming.
I don't give a fuck. I'll run him over. Give me my goddamn money. Give me my money, bro.
You're crazy, man. Oh,
They got a trash can stuck underneath that motherfucker too.
oh shit! What the fuck?
Hey, you saw that motherfucker up.
Boss man says make sure OSHA isn't watching.
Trying to get in position. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. God. And there it is.
Who else is in there? Yo, who else is in there?
That is some kind of. Let me see if I can.
That's some kind of redneck shit right there.
That ain't even.
But that's a Mexican.
That don't even rate redneck shit there. That's way beyond redneck. Rednecks aren't that goddamn smart. Goddamn boy, how we gonna get that son of a bitch down the road like that? We ain't got no way to pull it. Boy, you know what?